Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is a multifunctional smart charger. So by multifunction, the other function is recording movement and stuff. So I'll show you guys what it is here. So it looks like a regular charger here. Let me see if I can take the plastic off of it so it'll really look like a charger instead of like something new in a wrapper. Oops. So here you go. So you have just a normal looking black cube charger that, ready anything will plug into. But if you look really closely, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right in there, there's a little camera. And so it looks like it's got the camera ability. It comes with here. Let's see what it comes with here. It's got the charging or a wire, a USB wire. So you can connect this up to your computer to download it maybe. So it looks like it's USB to USB. So just plug it in here and plug it into your computer or something. And then we have a little USB card reader. And then and it comes with a little ejector tool. And then here is the little back of it. And you can see that's where your little USB-C card. I have a little 128 gig USB-C or micro USB, or what is it called? Micro USB card. So I'll stick that in there. Probably need to push it in with this. Okay. So now it should be in there and be set for recording. Let me see, it had a mode option on it. I don't know what the mode is going to be. Recording mode. Open the chargers. So L is continuous recording, and then it can flash and stuff like that too. So I guess you can set it up for different things. But let me plug it in over here, and we'll see what happens what it does. So there it is. It's plugged in. I don't know which mode it's on right now, but hopefully it'll record. Let's see. When using the reset pin, click the reset hole, and the reset hole is between the L and M switch. Well, maybe it's recording, so we'll see. So it's recording now, so I'll let it record for a few minutes, and then we'll see what we got and see if it sees the back of me doing my next video. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I took it out here and I put it in my computer and I sent it over to my iPad here, but you can see this is the video that it took. It works, so it was plugged in to my little outlet over there, and so you can see it really did a good job, man. It's like super quality. You can even see like what's going on. I don't know if you guys can, what's going on inside that camera when I was recording my next video. So let me see, I'll show you guys here. It goes, it does really good. It's got the motion and everything. I mean, I wish I could show it somehow better, but you get the idea. I got a lot of reflection from lights going on here, but there's where I'm picking it out. But you can see it really did a good job, and it even has sound too. I don't know if you can hear. Let me go back to the part where I was recording. Oops. Sorry. So that sound? It did record sound. I guess it just didn't have a lot going on. So it works with that app, which is what I use for my other thing. So it gets the sound and things, so that's pretty cool. So if you need a quick little camera to just plug in and have kind of work and aim something like that, maybe a good little nanny cam or something like that to keep an eye on somebody, this is pretty sweet. So I'm gonna say I like it. Thumbs up.